Hello everyone. Welcome back to Point Blank.
Ecosystem and ecosystem services. Now, imagine you are going mountain trekking or you are in a forest camp. Look around you. You can see lots and lots of flora and fauna around you. These flora and fauna are interacting with each other and also with the physical environment for sustaining their lives. This interaction forms an ever-changing system known as ecosystem. We obtain certain benefits from the ecosystem called as ecosystem services. Look at a tree and just think, what are the benefits you obtain from it? You are given 10 seconds. We hope you all thought something different. Many of you would have thought fruits, flowers, or wood. Because these are the direct benefits you are getting from a tree. But there are others too. If you thought of clean air to breathe, shade in a summer day, habitat for birds, carbon sink, holding soil from erosion, or swinging for recreation, a big applause for you. Yes, these benefits are usually not perceived by us from a tree. Ecosystem services are categorized as provisioning services, regulating services, supporting services, and cultural services. Provisioning services referred to provision of fresh water, food, wood, fiber, and medicines. Climate regulation, water purification, pest control, and pollination are some of the regulating services. Nutrient cycle, such as phosphorus and nitrogen cycle, are some of the supporting services provided by the ecosystem. Recreation, aesthetic values, and spiritual enrichment are some of the cultural services. For example, the tree providing us food and wood as provisioning services. Tree regulating climate through carbon sink as regulating service, supporting carbon cycle as supporting service, and gives aesthetic look as cultural service. Millennium Ecosystem Assessment was conducted in 2005. In this assessment, they reviewed the changes to the global ecosystem services. They identified that, out of 24 ecosystem services, assessed 15 services, like services providing fish, fresh water, and erosion control, were degraded globally. In this assessment, they listed the direct and indirect drivers of ecosystem services and their interactions with human well-being. For human well-being and poverty reduction, the ecosystem services provide basic materials for good life and human health. The direct drivers of the change in ecosystem services are land use change by urbanization and climate change. Some indirect changes of ecosystem services are population growth and changes in socio-economic system. The strategies and interventions mentioned in the figure refer to strategies like afforestation and optimization of land use for ecosystem impact reduction. For example, cutting down forest for highway construction may lead to economic development, but it also affects the benefits we obtain from the forest. Climate change, on the other hand, also affects forest ecosystem. Like forest fire due to increase in temperature degrades forest ecosystem. Now, we are in a period of focusing on sustainable development. For sustainable development, the incorporation of three capitals, that is, social, economic, and natural capital, is important. The natural capital degraded due to developmental activities need to be restored and conserved for ensuring the future generation to enjoy the benefits of ecosystem. Let's conserve nature. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share if you liked our video and subscribe for all our future videos.